Okay, moving forward. So the video is stunning. You heard the talent, and this is just the beginning. And we are the school for businesses, for IT, and culturally. I think everybody can take a note from ONPASSIVE. Let me see if we are ready to go with O-Verify. O-Verify again. Perfect. We can see it, but now I think you need to mute one of the speakers or the mics.
Hello, family.
Hello, Mr. Hari. How are you?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfectly. Yes. Okay. The echo's gone, I believe. Take it away. Okay. Talk to us about O-Verify now. AI powered.
Hello.
Wonderful. We can hear you. I believe everyone, right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Obviously, they have multiple devices and speakers and the big screen TV in the boardroom office.
Yeah, I think the screen is visible for all of you.
Yes, it is.
Okay. This is regarding O-Verify. Basically, O-Verify is an exciting project for ONPASSIVE team here. In fact, this particular project opens a lot of learning curve for us. In fact, it has AI technology, machine learning, the verification of more than 500 different documents from 240 different countries. These documents are templated and modeled using machine learning. And overall, it was a great experience for even for the ONPASSIVE design and development team. In fact, the advantage of this particular software, definitely you must be aware about that, the verification software. Whenever the IT and technology evolve and expand and get popularity, at the same time, there is a chance of risk. To mitigate that risk, governance as well as the other kind of compliance mechanism will be built in the other hand. So most of the financial institutions, banks, they are all using this kind of mechanism to verify their customers. For ONPASSIVE, we have a large community of customers. We need to make sure that each and every steps we take in the sense of application or any other initiatives, we need to make sure that our entire ecosystem and the organization as a whole compliant with the regulations and all other global standards. That is the basic reason or the basic reason behind building such a platform, initially for the ecosystem, and later the same mechanism will be enhanced to move to the B2B level of selling points or to the outside customers, like any other financial institution or any other organization can purchase from our side. So that is the basic, the general introduction about this particular project which we have initiated. And just I will give you a small introduction about what is O-Verify. Basically, it's a customer verification process, and it's commonly known as Know Your Customer. It's available in most of the banking platforms. In fact, most of them are taken this service from the third parties. In fact, here we are building such a even though it's a simple platform, but the work and the effort behind this particular platform is tremendous.
So the
So
compliance and documentations is and the legal, you know, aspect of it is probably what takes time and what's more challenging. And then the AI is a new concept because we have uh, it is basically all AI and video. Uh, I think you're probably trying to imply that there are only a few players in the field of know your customer,
exactly,
and we call it O-Verify. But the one that is with the most, and most of them are the few that are available, they don't cover the globe and they don't cover all the regulations. So they're either specified in one field, one region, one certain verification like OTP or by email verification, but not necessarily a full, robust, AI-driven, 100% hands-free and AI process, and rather global. So this would be the first, and at two scales: customer, uh, I mean, business to customer, B2C, and later B2B, business to business.
yeah, exactly. So, like you said, yes, this particular software has a lot of entry barrier. It is not easy to build this software for all the software development, the companies. That is one of the challenge what we took when we started building this particular project. That's account or the some of the statistics that I just mentioned before, around 500 plus documents and 240 countries, IDs, especially either for passport or driving licenses or the ID, national ID. So these documents evaluated, annotated, then compiled into the model and trained the model. So it's a long process. It's not easy to achieve in few months, but our team is uh, continuously working with this particular project, and we are in the last lap. Why do OES customers be verified? Actually, ONPASSIVE as a company, each and every initiatives which we are doing, either internally or externally as a project or product, everywhere we are trying to implement the governance, standardization, process improvement, all such initiatives. Moreover, as a responsible organization, we are committed to ensure the best practices, especially when we deal with financial transactions, fund movement. In all this situation, we need to make sure our customers are verified as per the international standards, compliance standards, regulatory norms, as well as the audit requirements. The KYC process helps us to ensure we are dealing with legitimate customers, and that will help us to maintain our integrity as an organization. As verifies as core four features. First one is document verification, then the detection of liveness, face and image verification, then the verified content will be moved to a secured storage. During document verification, any of the recognized government issued document will be verified. In this segment, as I said before, we have trained our model with 500 plus documents and 242 country's documents, including the major IDs. Then the
So I
second.
think this is what takes most of the time. I just want to clarify, Harry, if it's okay. This is where, because each country has, you can mute your, yeah, when I talk, I'm sorry, I'm going to try not to get in unexpectedly. But every country offers multiple forms of identifications, whether it's passport, national ID, military ID. In India, for example, the Aadhaar card. And each country has a different design, measurement, detection, all of that, the component, the layout. So we would have to input each one, and we have to give the approval and the compliance, as he mentioned, country by country. So each country is a whole process. That's why you don't find something as global as O-Verify. You don't find something as reliable. And I know he's going to demonstrate quickly just how do we go through the process, which is our goal to make it seamless, under 2 minutes or 1 minute, ultimately, for those who have their identification ready. Just take a selfie with the ID and upload, detect, and move on to the next one. We keep tweaking to make the customer usability and the customer experience as seamless, as fast, as easy as possible. So the verification process, as he said, you upload your document, face recognition, and of course, the last component is that same ID. You want to make sure that you have a hold of it. So technically 3 steps. Let's say a driver's license. So I upload my driver's license or take a picture of it from my mobile device, upload, couple of seconds. Secondly, and it will give you the detection, in green when it's acceptable. I think some of you probably tried that before. Once it's accepted, you go to the facial recognition. You move left and right under 8 seconds. And lastly, you hold that same ID or identification document. You hold it next to your face, and it will do the combination. If it's a thumbs up, you become instantly a verified customer. It will read the name, and it will match that with your ecosystem profile. It will match it with your details. Now you have a photo. You have the country listed there, and perhaps the facial recognition that will be stored in the system. No human is involved from our side. So this is between you and the machine. So hopefully we will get the vast majority of our customers verified, so everybody will be known. Okay, and when advertisers or I would say the public community see the quality of our real people, customers-based company aspect, they will be more interested in doing business with us, or you ultimately. Okay, do you want to go just show the screens quickly? I hope I was able to cover that briefly, so we can wrap up the rest of the event for today. Simple steps. So this is already there, but we didn't push it live.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you just scroll the screens, and we will have a specific session dedicated to train with the videos. We also have videos in the ecosystem to demonstrate. All you have to do is just scroll down, and I think we're good. And I thank you so much. So you see the verify new customer, very small steps.
Yeah.
All right. Once it's accepted,
once it is accepted, this will be asking for the document upload option. Here you will be able to upload your documents in the sense your ID card or passport or even the driving license. Once that upload is completed, the next step.
I know you're going to have echo when I talk because they have the speaker loud there. Okay, so when you see the, can you go back one slide, please? Okay, so you see, once you select the country, then it will give you the options of the documents kinds based on your location. Okay, so this is going to be simple. It's going to give you whether it's an Aadhaar card or ID card based on your country. All right, capture, next. Okay, this is the last step, and it gives you the progress bar at the top. Proceed, and it matches the details. You see, it reads everything on the card. Proceed. Voila, all verified. 3 simple steps. 1 minute, 2 minutes at most, you should be all verified. Okay, fantastic. Now you see your KYC is verified. We're going to call it verified. Yeah, you are verified instead of KYC. You can tweak that. But thank you so much, Harry. I apologize for the echo because you have the sound there. I appreciate it. And thank you for traveling between Dubai to Hyderabad. He's a resident of Dubai, but he's been spending a lot of time in Hyderabad supporting the team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.